Hi everyone, today we're going to be sharing 4 high-paying part-time jobs for students. The first job is to be a translator. If you're able to read, write, and speak fluently in another language, this job might be for you. On average, a translator can make up to $20 an hour, which makes it one of the most high-paying jobs for students. The next job is to be a dog walker. Getting paid to hang out and walk dogs for a student job, it really doesn't get better than that. A dog walker can make about $15 an hour. The next high-paying job is to be a server or a bartender. Jobs in the service industry tend to be popular with students due to their flexible work hours. Now, although these positions do have a lower wage, they do tend to make more money on tips. Depending on your sales, you can expect to make $50 to $200 more in tips on top of your hourly wage. The last job is to be a tutor. If you have an interest in teaching, tutoring might be a nice way for you to make extra money. Depending on your level of expertise, you can teach students in kindergarten all the way up to university. Now, the best tutors can make up to $50 an hour, but on average, tutors are making somewhere between $15 to $20. Be sure to check out our blog for more high-paying student jobs.